Have you ever heard it said, be careful who you associate with because then they'll group you in with the other people? Yeah. Well, apparently, multiplication and addition have heard that, and the rule is still true. These numbers that associate together in multiplication, we're going to talk about today, can be the same anyway. They all associate together, so they all work together in any order. Let's see what we can find. All right, so I have 5 times 2 times 3. Now, 5 times 2 is first in the parentheses. So, right there, I have 5 groups of 2 aliens, and this says that I should have that times 3. So let's triple that. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And guess what? That makes 30. Okay, now let's look to the other. 3 times 5 times 2, but this time 3 times 5 is in the parentheses. Okay, so let's find out. We've got 3 groups of 5 aliens and times 2, so we need to double that. And guess what happens? Yeah, you end up with 30 again. Okay, just for fun, let's group them a final way. 2 times 3 times 5, and 2 times 3 is in the parentheses. So there you got 2 groups of 3 aliens, and we need 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, and guess what? 30 once more. Is this statement true or false? 5 times 6 times 9, 5 times 6 in parentheses, equals 9 times 5 times 6, and 9 times 5 is in parentheses in the second. Well, you see both sides have the same 3 numbers, but they do have different orders and different parentheses. So, true, of course it's true. The associative property tells us that no matter what order you put it, as long as you have the same numbers, they're going to get the same answer. Let's try something else. Which demonstrates the associative property? All right, you got 3 choices here. A, B, C. What do you think? Yeah, C's out. I mean, there's multiplication and addition, same side, and then it's regrouping, brackets here and not on the other side. B is true, but the one that goes with the associative property for sure is letter A. In the associative property, the existence of brackets or parentheses, the order of those in the numbers group don't matter as long as the numbers are the same on the side and the entire equation is using either addition or multiplication. We know letter A is true. Last one. Rewrite in 2 ways using the associative property. Well, it wants us to start with 5 both times. So you could do this one of 2 ways. We just really need to put 6 and 7 in opposite order and both will work. And we'll just put parentheses in different places and see what we come up with. All right. So first thing you could write is 5 times 6 times 7 or 5 times 7 times 6. Couldn't be easier.